So in this video, we will see a quick demo of pass by value uh, with methods when we are passing the primitive variables. So we have a main method and we declare and initialize an integer variable with name I and value is 10. Then we have a method m1 which basically accepts an integer argument and it is printing the value before changing the value. Then we are changing the value to 20 and printing it again. And when the control goes back to the main method, so it prints the message after calling m1 and the value of I. And as expected, if we run the program, we see that m1 has changed the value to 20, but there is no impact on the value of I in main method. The value remains the same because Java is pass by value. So when we call this value I to method m1, we are not actually passing the actual I. We are creating a copy. Java is creating a copy of I and passing that copy to the method. So whatever m1 is doing with the value of I, it is acting on its own copy of the variable, which won't impact the actual I. So that's why in the main method, the value of I remains the same, which is 10. In the next lecture, we will see the behavior of reference variables, a quick demo of the same concept but with reference variables.